Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the tail light bulbs, or your brake light, turn signal light, the park light on a Volkswagen Jetta MK5. That's the fifth generation from 2005 all the way until 2010. And ours, one of them doesn't work, the inside one doesn't work. There is two bulbs here, as you can see, so one for the brake light and the tail light doesn't work. So stay with us to see how we're going to replace it. We'll explain what which bulb is for what, and it's the same procedure for left and right side. We'll be demonstrating on the left one. Alright guys, first you will need to open the trunk of your vehicle, and now, okay, right there is one little cap. You can see if you go right behind the tail light, and usually you can pull it with your fingers, or if it's stuck you can use a screwdriver. Okay, and now let me show you where, okay, that's where the bulbs are, and there is two little notches that you need to press down on. Okay, let me show you right here, these two. Okay, you press like that, both of them, and you pull them out. And now there is two bulbs. And the inside one is for tail light, as you can see right here, and this one is burnt, so it's as you can see it's broken inside. And how you pull them out and put them in is the same way. You just make sure that you go in the slots and you turn clockwise to put it in and counterclockwise to take it out. The other bulb is for the turn signal and for the brake light. Okay, and now you need to make sure everything lines up really good. It's very limited room, hard to show you here exactly, but you need to make sure that it goes there. Okay, and first you need to go on the top side in an angle. Okay, and after that you close it on the bottom. Okay, and you need to make sure that it doesn't move after you're done. It's going to take you a little bit of time. It's very limited room there. They made a pretty small hole for that. Okay, and we heard the click, and that's it, guys. It's good there. Now you can go ahead and close the cap, and now we should have both bulbs working actually. Well, let's see now. Okay, as you can see, the in one is lighting up as well. Okay, and for the brake light and for park light as well. Okay, so that's how you guys remove and replace the tail light bulbs. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.